Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're looking at the Dorma 9700 series panic latch with MLR, which is motorized latch retraction. So basically, this is a full length panic bar. You put it across the door, and from the inside, you can crash down on the bar, the full length of the door, and it will let you through. You see them on many fire doors. People call them crash bars, panic bars, push bars. The difference with this one is it's got MLR, which is, as I say, motorized latch retraction. So you can connect this to an access control system, which means from the outside, you could put a reader, a keypad, a biometric terminal, put something on the outside, and they can use this door to gain entry into the building. So in effect, giving you access control. There's a couple to choose from. The one I've chose here is the most popular one. Most fire doors being about 830mm in width. This one suits doors from 610 to 915mm. When you typically, if you call tech support to ADI, you and ask for a quote or an option for this, we would quote for this particular panic bar. In addition, we would also quote for the power supply for it, the 40 PSU 900 MLR. Now, this, as well as being a power supply, it also is a regulator to make sure you get some 24 volts, but it's also the interface between the access control and the latch. In that, this gives an output to the latch, but it also accepts inputs from the access control, which I'll get to in a moment. It can control two. It has two outputs. It has four inputs and two outputs. The two inputs use an access controller dry contact. Let's have a look at the wiring diagram for the device. So you can see here in this example we're using Net2. So it's a normal Net2 Plus controller with its local power supply, controlling powering the Net2 ACU. The lock outputs here, common, normally open, and I've connected them to the output 1 inputs, dry contact inputs at the top here. So that means if we give an input, if we give a closed input to this control, this is the 4907 PSU. If we give an input to that, it will send an output to the MLR. The MLR only has two wires that come out of it. They're both white, and they're non-polarized. They'll just go to the output here. 24 volts, about 300 milliamps, 88 milliamps in standby. So, as I was saying, this gives two outputs. So if you have two doors close to each other, you could have another Net2 ACU connected to the second input here and connect the second MLR to the outputs here. This is the, as I say, this is the power supply controller. It's mains powered, same as the Net2's mains powered. So you ideally put these close to each other and have a mains connection for those two devices. And there you go. That's how you'd connect the Dorma 907 series. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.